Welcome to Finance with Avern. In this video, I want to tell you about 3 different but similar checking account sign-up bonuses currently offered by BMO. Bank of Montreal, commonly known as BMO, owns BMO Harris Bank through the holding company BMO Financial Corporation. In the United States, it does business as BMO Financial Group, and BMO main formal headquarters is in Montreal, Quebec, Canada. Now, as of this list that was updated back in September 2023, BMO is the 13th largest bank in the United States based on total assets. And before we jump into these 3 specific bonuses, I want to tell you about the eligibility because that is very important. And even though I'm going to talk about 3 different sign-up bonuses in this video by BMO, you're only eligible for one of these checking account cash bonuses. So you can't combine all 3 or stack all 3. You're only eligible for one of these 3. So you just have to kind of pick which one aligns more with your, situation. So yeah, these offers are limited to 1 per customer and account. And these checking account sign-up bonuses are not available for existing BMO personal checking account customers, including signers on joint accounts. So if you currently have a personal checking account with BMO or you're on a joint account with somebody, then you would not be eligible for these bonuses. Also, these bonuses are not eligible for anyone who has closed a BMO personal checking account within the past 12 months. So if you don't have an account currently, but you had one and closed it within the past 12 months, then you wouldn't be eligible. And also something to keep in mind is that these cash bonuses will be reported to the IRS for tax purposes, and you are responsible for any applicable taxes. So likely you'll get a form 1099-INT or 1099-MISC miscellaneous for the bonuses of this year for your taxes for next year. So for example, I've been getting these forms in the mail this month in January 2024 for sign-up bonuses that I did back in 2023. And also something really important, once you sign up for your account and everything and make the direct deposits and everything I'm going to tell you about, your account must stay open and in good standing and have a balance greater than 0 when the cash bonus is paid. So you're going to want to make sure you keep the account open that you sign up for with this cash bonus and just have a balance more than 0 in it, whether it be $1 or $5, whatever, just something more than 0 and have the account in good standing. So basically mean you haven't, did any kind of fraudulent activity or something that would cause any red flags to be raised by BMO. Keep the account open, keep it in good standing, have a balance greater than 0, so you'll get that cash bonus paid to you. All right, so we've gone over eligibility. Now let's get into some specifics about actually opening the account and some important dates. So very important dates here. Your account must be open between December 11th, 2023 and May 3rd, 2024. So that's pretty much the cutoff date right here for this current offer. Now it could get extended. Sometimes these banks, they just kind of extend the dates out once that, expiration date comes up. Not for sure, if this was going to do that, but as of right now, the last date to open the account is going to be that May 3rd, 2024. And so with that cutoff date of May 3rd, 2024, it's better just to open the account before then, not wait till last minute, because if you have an account that requires an initial deposit, they're going to want to receive that opening deposit and all signed account opening documents by May 3rd, 2024. So to make that just go smoother, where you're not stressing about that everything get received on this last cutoff day and everything, just open up the account sometime before May 2024 and have, that information and everything in place before then, so you don't have to think about, did I meet the cutoff date and everything like that. So yeah, you have to open up the account between December 11th, 2023 and May 3rd, 2024. So you want to open up the account by then with the promo code. And let me tell you about the promo code, because there are 3 different ways to open up this account. You can open it up physically at a BMO branch, online, or by calling 1-800-546-6101. You see it there on the screen. So yes, if you open it up online, then you just click through on the website right here. You'll see it up here, right here in this section right there. These links open in minutes. And I'll have the link to this official promotion site by BMO in the description. It's not a referral link for me or anything, and I'm not associated with BMO. Just going to have the link for you right here. And you can also Google, BMO checking sign up bonus or something like that, and you'll likely get taken to this page. So yeah, if you're opening up the account online, you're simply going to click on that button, open in minutes, for whichever checking account you choose, and they'll automatically apply the promo code for you. So that's pretty much it. You don't have to put in any specific promo codes. Just make sure you're clicking on that link, open in minutes, for whichever checking account you choose. Now, if you apply at a branch or by phone, then you're going to need a promo code. And how you get that promo code? Very simple, very easy. So what you're going to do on the same page for the website that you would open it up online, just scroll down to the bottom. You'll get to this section right here. And they just state right here, just give us a few details to get your promo code and use the code when you apply. So there are 4 pieces of personal information they would like from you, and 3 of them are listed as required. The required information they want from you for the promo code is your first and last name, your email address, and your zip code. And so those are the 3 required fields right there. They also ask for your phone number right there, so you can put that in. I mean, if you sign up for the account anyways, you're likely going to have to put that in somewhere at some point. So it's 4 pieces of information, 3 listed as required. So you're just going to fill that out right there, and then click on send my promo code, and they're going to email you the promo code. It's going to be pretty quick. So you're going to either take that promo code, write it down, just have your phone, so you can go to the email, whatever, somewhere where you got that promo code, take that to the physical BMO branch if you want to open it up that way. Or if you want to call to open the account, then when you call that 1-800-546-6101, just have, the promo code somewhere around and mention it while you're opening the account. Like, hey, I got a sign up bonus promo code here. And they'll, take that information from you right there. 3 simple steps with this cash bonus is you open up the account, either online, at the branch, or by phone. And then you make the qualifying deposits within 90 days of account opening. Each of these 3 checking account bonuses have specific qualifying deposit amounts. So you want to make sure you have that cumulative total of qualifying deposits in the account within 90 days of account opening. Now let's get a little bit more information on this section right here, because this is very important. What are qualifying deposits? So qualifying deposits for BMO first would be, something you get paid from your job, your salary, from your place of employment, whether it be every 2 weeks, every month, every week, anything like that. Either your gig work, if you do like DoorDash, Uber, something like that, any kind of deposits from any kind of employment from places like that, or your, 9-to-5 job, your full-time job, your part-time job, PRN job, whatever it is, those direct deposits would qualify. So yes, qualifying direct deposits of salary or personal income from something like, a paycheck. Also, qualifying deposits would include pension payments, Social Security payments, or other government benefit payments electronically deposited into the account from an employer or similar third party. So that is what qualifies overall for qualifying direct deposits, something that falls within that realm right there. Now, any kind of deposits from debit cards or from another account, transferring from an external account or peer-to-peer, like from Zelle or Venmo, any of the deposits like that, those do not qualify. So those would not qualify as eligible direct deposits for the sign-up bonus. Now, can you do those? Yeah, you can, transfer funds from another account to the BMO Harris, checking account and vice versa, things like that, but they would not qualify for the cumulative amount you need for direct deposits for the sign-up bonus. And with the qualifying deposits with all 3 of these offers, you don't have to deposit your full amount, like for your paycheck, whether you get paid every 2 weeks, every month or something like that. You don't have to deposit your full paycheck amount into these accounts. You could do a certain percentage or a certain amount. I know at my places of employment, I could change it to like, I want, 50% or 20% or whatever of my paycheck to go into this account and, 10% to go in this account. I could basically split my check into several accounts. So you could do that with these sign up bonuses, wherever you figure you're going to get that, total amount cumulative that you need within that 90 days. So yeah, if that requires a full check, then just let your full check go. If not, you don't want to, have your full check going into these accounts, then you can set up your direct deposit where you have a certain amount or certain percentage going into whichever new BMO checking account you choose for this offer. That's step 2 right there. Very important. With step 2, make your qualifying direct deposits. And then step 3 is that they'll reward you with a cash bonus. That's it right there. They're going to deposit the bonus directly into your new account. You don't have to do anything else. And with that reward, that cash bonus they're going to pay you is going to be paid into that checking account approximately 100 days after account opening per the fine print on their website. So keep that account in good standing and open, and remember to keep the balance greater than 0. Yeah, you don't have to keep the direct deposit amounts that you transfer in the account all in full or anything like that. You could, spend that money, transfer that money elsewhere, anything like that. But just make sure you keep that balance greater than 0. All right, so we've gone over eligibility, some of the fine print, and the steps to obtain the sign-up bonuses. What specifically are these sign-up bonuses and the direct deposit amounts? Here we are right here. BMO has 3 different checking accounts that are offering these sign-up bonuses. First, here on the left, you have the Smart Advantage Checking. So with the BMO Smart Advantage Checking account, you can get a $250 cash bonus when you have a total of at least $4,000 in qualifying direct deposits within the first 90 days. So that is it right there. That's their most popular checking account, and it has no monthly maintenance fee. There is an initial minimum deposit required of $25 for this account. So yeah, within network ATMs, there's no fees associated with that. Out of network, $3, paper statement fees, check images fees, some fees that you may not encounter with the account or anything, as far as especially if you're just using it to kind of check out and get the bonus and things like that. But if you were to use it for some of these things, here are some of the fees that may be associated with some of the activities you can do on the account. So overall with this account though, there's no monthly maintenance fee and there's no minimum monthly balance required for this account. Now, next up in the middle right here is the BMO Relationship Checking account. With this account, you can get a $400 cash bonus when you have a total of at least $7,500 in qualifying direct deposits within the first 90 days. And with the Relationship Checking account, there is a minimum initial deposit requirement of $25 to open the account. There is a monthly maintenance fee of $25. But they state that they'll waive the fee if you meet any of the following requirements. First requirement, you can have a minimum daily ledger balance in your account of $10,000 or more for the previous calendar month. So if you have that going, then you won't get a monthly maintenance fee. Or you can have a monthly combined balance of $25,000 or more for the previous calendar month. Or if you're a client of their employee benefits program, Best of BMO US, and have requested the waiver from your BMO banker. So if you meet one of those 3 criteria right there, one of those 3 requirements, then you won't get charged a monthly maintenance fee. However, if you don't, with the Relationship Checking account, you would get a monthly maintenance fee of $25 per month. So the BMO Relationship Checking account is an account they state that you will get more rewards as your relationship grows with us. And with that relationship growing with them, that's with your balance growing with them, because they have different tiers with this account: silver, gold, platinum, and premier. And they're pretty much tied to the balance of your eligible deposit accounts and eligible investment balances with BMO. So if you really want to do a lot of banking with BMO, or you already have, an investment account with them or something, you want to add on a checking account, something, you're just a customer of BMO, you want to grow your status with BMO, then it's maybe an account you want to look for, because you will likely, have a larger balance in this account. So yeah, here are the tiers right here. Some more information, of course, on the website. I'm going to leave this up right here for a second just so you can check it out if you're really interested in the relationship banking. I'm not going to get into too much detail with it because this video is mainly focusing on the actual sign up cash bonuses. But here's some more information right here on the relationship packages benefits. And now we're going to move along to the next cash bonus currently offered with the BMO checking account is the BMO Smart Money checking account. You can get a $250 cash bonus when you have a total of at least $4,000 in qualifying direct deposits within the first 90 days when opening the BMO Smart Money checking account. So this one is very similar to the Smart Advantage checking account. So what's the difference in these accounts right here? There is a monthly maintenance fee of $5 for the Smart Money checking account. However, it can be avoided if you're under the age of 25. And the Smart Money checking account has some of the same features as a Smart Advantage checking account. However, there is that difference, of course, with the monthly maintenance fee, that $5. However, that could be waived, if you're under the age of 25. And then you have the same features with their in-network ATMs. With the BMO or Allpoint ATM transactions, those are free. Non-BMO ATM transactions, same fee right there, $3. Now, the paper statements fee is a little bit less with the Smart Money checking account. It's $2 instead of $3. The check images fee is the same for both accounts, $3. But one of the standouts with the Smart Money account is that they have $0 for the overdraft fee. Now, of course, there's some fine print with that. We're just going to go down to this real quick. And how they avoid that overdraft fee is that they state that items that overdraw the account are returned and the ATM/everyday debit card transactions are declined. So that's how they get avoided right there with the overdraft fee. And the same thing with the minimum opening deposit amount for this account. It is $25 as well. So yeah, a few differences between the Smart Advantage checking account and the Smart Money checking account. However, when it comes to the cash bonus, it is the same. $250 cash bonus when you have a total of at least $4,000 in qualifying direct deposits within the first 90 days. So that is it with my video on the BMO checking account sign up cash bonus offers. Hope you enjoyed it. Take care.